Greetings and respect. You don't know the thing, but this is original Popayano. I'm there upon a pineapple farm, you know. Been a while since I visit them and clean them up and thing. Because you don't know we in the studio do some musical works. But we out in the field you know, and you know me happy, so them healthy and them going strong said speed. You see me? Yeah man, it's a blessing man, you know. Life is a blessing, yeah. 70 pineapple plants. Rows of 10, you know? 7 rows of 10. Yeah. See, sugar cane show up himself. Yeah, original Popayana, I'm there up on the farm, you know? Point them off forward. Lovely. Is what I'm saying. And them a say, we old school. How about me tell them a the old school rule? And them a say, we old school. How about me tell them a the old school rule? Pineapple harvest. First one, you know. Yes. The pooper hard work pay off, you know. Yeah man, by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. In this case, you shall eat pineapples, right? Ready! You know the thing, man. There.
Welcome to Jamaica. This is me, leaving from England back to Jamaica. This is how we buy the pine and peel the pine. So you peel the pine, then you cut the top of this, you put it away. Then after, I just go here, slice it down the middle like this. Wow, what a lovely. Then after you turn it around and you slice it, slice by slice, down the passage. Wow. After you slice it like this is the way you get it, and you heat it like this. So, well done, well done. Watch me all the English folks. This is the way how we heat our pine in Jamaica here. Just like that.